Hey guys, welcome to Dawn Cooking Skill. And today guys I'll be doing some macaroni cheese bake. And in my pan here guys I had 4 grams of melted butter, and then I have 4 grams of plain flour. And this I'm going to be making my white sauce. Yeah, so I'll be putting this on back. And so guys I'll be just mix the flour into the butter. And then we're gonna have something look like that. Yeah? So when you mix the flour into the butter, it look like that. Yeah? And so I'll be using soya milk. You can use whatever milk you like, but for me I'll be using this one, okay? So I'll be adding my milk to that. Guys, I have my cheese ready. I won't be using all of it because I don't like too much cheese, yeah? So I'll be just adding some in the sauce and some to sprinkle on top, yeah? Before I add it into the, I didn't put on my oven. So put the oven on to warm hot. And so guys, you have to continue mixing, and because you don't want it to be having any lumps in it, try and get all the lumps. You have to continue mixing, and then you can start off with your wooden spoon, and then you can continue with a whisk. This is my whisk. And so guys, you'll be getting it smoothly without any lumps in there. And then I'll be showing you guys. Yeah. So I put the oven on. You have to continue mixing it and keep adding your milk. So you have to continue mixing, and so the milk absorbs into it, so you have to keep adding your milk, yeah? Until it comes to the consistency where you want it, yeah? And then I'll show you, because my camera is away, I need one that I can look down in the pan. And so guys, I have to put it closer for you guys to see. Because really I could do it a bit nearer, and so you guys could see. You still can't see, but I'll show you when I finish and what you need to look for. Then you come into the consistency that I want it to be, and come in there. I think this should be okay. And so guys, this is my right hand, but because of the camera and the one that it is, it make it look like I'm using my left hand. This is my left hand. Strange the way it's set. But if I turn my camera around, and so again I would have to level it up, and so do it, and then it will show like I'm using my right hand. But then I can't see what I'm doing. I like to see what I'm doing. So I show you guys the consistency that I want it to be, and then I'll be using my spoon to show you. Bring you up a bit closer, guys. So this is what you'd look for. That, yeah, consistency, yeah, that, yeah. And so I'll be having I should get my pepper and my salt ready. I forget. Sorry, I have to get something. And get this off. So we had some salt. You do that. I have a cut one today. And then it's the pepper. And put some in as well. And then guys, I'll be adding some cheese in there. I just like to put a bit in there. I'm not sure. I don't like too much in. I think that should be okay. I just sprinkle some of that in. Guys, you can put how much you like. If you like cheese, put any amount you like. And into your sauce. And then you'd have to put some to sprinkle on the top as well. Yeah? So this is ready. Yeah? Turn that off. I don't want to do too much. Guys, I don't have anything smaller than this. It's not that because I'm bigger than this one. And I have the size to put it in. And so I put this over there. This is I'll be putting so boil that for about 10 minutes. Yeah. And so I'll be adding the sauce to it. And so, see what I'm doing, guys? Just stir this into the macaroni, into the sauce. And that's what you come with. And then I'll be adding it into this. And then guys, I'll be sprinkling a bit of cheese over that. And then I'll be adding it into the, I think that should be, I don't want too much cheese on there. So I'll be putting this into the oven. Guys, so yeah. And then I'll be adding it in there. So I show you when this comes out of the oven, guys. So take care till later. Hey guys, welcome back. And this is my finished product of my macaroni cheese bake. And guys, it's hot. It came out I'll be putting some on my plate. And this is, guys, it looks like a giant portion. But it's a small portion, guys. You know when you video things, it look like these things are giant, and it's just a small portion there. And guys, what I'll be doing, I'll be adding a bit of tomato, like you can see properly. You're not seeing it in my plate properly. I'll be adding a bit of salad to my plate, and to have with that. So that's my lettuce and some tomato. Yeah. And guys, it looks like it's a massive portion, but it's a small portion, guys, as I explained myself. And so this, I cut up one tomato. Yeah, and yeah guys, I use the white cheese, so it's not gonna look like that ready looking pie because I didn't use that one. So it's a white colored cheese. And it's kind of in the night at the moment. It's early evening, so it's not gonna look but it's looking fantastic, guys. And so, guys, I did buy a pack of macaroni, use half of it, and I just put it to cook in a bit of salt water for 10-15 minutes, drain it off, and have it ready to mix into the white sauce when I finish. As you could watch my video, or I mix it in. And so, guys, so I hope you have a go and try out my macaroni cheese bake, and guys, you will enjoy it. But